So first, what you need to do here is to go to epicgames.com/help, and then you need to log into an account. If the account that you're not getting email is the only one, you need to create a new one quickly, because without an account, you cannot contact support. And once you did this, then you need to write, I don't receive two-factor notification codes in my email. And just press this button here, and then AI will, Epic support assistant will be here, and we need to wait until he will pop article. And as you can see here, if we go on answer sources, you need to select I don't receive two-factor notification codes to my email, and then there will be a contact form here, but probably it will be AI again, and you just need to then write that you didn't helped, and then we just need to wait, and then as you can see here, would you like to speak with a member of support team? Press yes, and then as you can see here, you can continue with the chat, or you can submit an email ticket. So let's continue with the chat. And as you can see here, member will of the team will contact me shortly. And I believe in 30 seconds, support agent joined, and you just need to write something along these lines. Hey, I'm waiting time and not getting verification code to my email. Could you please look into it? And my account email is this. And yeah, that's basically it. What you need to do here. They will fix your problem. So if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care.